This video will explain how to replace the printer control board on your GenMega ATM or kiosk. A common symptom for this board to need replacement is when the machine boots up and you see this ADN01 error code, printer communication failure. If you have worked with our support team and we have determined that this board should be replaced, upon receiving the new board, begin by opening the top cabinet of the ATM. Slide the top out so that you can access the printer. To make the printer board easier to access, we're going to temporarily move the power supply out of the way. Power off by pushing the red power switch on top of the power supply. Now remove the two Phillips head screws that hold the back of the power supply to the tray. Simply lift up on the back of the power supply to release it from the tray and tip it backwards into the housing. It's okay to just leave it laying like this. Next, remove the 4 screws that attach the printer control board and plastic cover. Set the cover and screws aside. Next, you'll remove the cables. This small sensor cable on top can be tight. If it doesn't unplug easily, use a pair of pliers to gently remove it from the socket. Now remove the power and data cables. Pinch each connector to release it from the socket. Finally, remove the ribbon cables. These just pull out of the sockets. Do your best to pull them from the middle of the cable so they pull out evenly. Don't pull from one side of the socket or you can damage the cable ends. To reinstall the new board, we'll just reverse that procedure. Reinstall the ribbon cables back into the sockets. Take your time and line the cable up with the socket and push it in place. Try not to put one side in before the other. Then reattach the rest of the cables. Check the black and white switches on the back of the printer control board. The switches need to match the board that you've removed. For most ATMs, this will be switch number 1, the lowest switch, down, and the rest up. Next, reinstall the screws and plastic cover. Get one screw started to help hold the board in place, and then add the rest of the screws. Once the cover is back on, snug down all the screws. Now you can lift the power supply back into place. Put the tab in front into the slot on the tray. Replace the screws used to secure the power supply. Finally, you can power on and let the machine boot up. It should clear the error code and go back into service. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact GenMega Support.